Fifth grade. Oh my goodness, this video thing. I'm telling you guys, I have way too many videos. I keep deleting all these videos and this thing keeps cutting off on me and I don't even know it. So I finished my whole lesson and you didn't all see it because I was talking to no recorder. Okay, let me finish this last problem and then I'm going to explain the rest. So remember, once I bring down my 0, right, I then have 4. So let me see if I erase it a little bit. Okay. I think this is where we left off. Okay. I can annex a 0 by adding a decimal, adding a 0, bringing it down. I get a 0. 4 goes into 20. Don't forget to put that decimal straight up. 5 times 4 is 20. I then subtract and I get a 0. This is how I annex 0 to not have a remainder, but have a decimal as my per se remainder. Okay, so this is how I get a decimal, no remainder or no fraction remainder. I have my decimal by annexing zeros. Remember, you can add different zeros here till you get the answer you're looking for, right? And a 0 at the bottom, okay? You can continue adding zeros, but don't forget that you've got to get that decimal place right up there first, okay? So, rounding today, or this is what you're doing for today. This is in problems 3, okay? So you're going to do 3 all today of those problems. So yes, you are only doing problems 1 all, 2 all, and 3 all, and that is it. That is all you're doing for math today. But don't forget, if you have questions about rounding, remember 0 to 4 stays the same, 5 to 9 goes up by 1. Contact me and ask me. Make sure you know your tenths, hundredths, and thousandths place because it might ask you which one to round to. If you have a question about dividing with decimals, remember, as long as this number here does not have a decimal, we go straight up with our decimal point and we can add a 0 at the end without changing its value. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 and all for today, and that is your math lesson. If you have any questions about any math today or any past questions, please let me know. And I apologize, this had to be 2 videos again. I'm so sorry, but have a good time having math. It's not that much today, but if you have questions, let me know.